Click on the Job Commander icon and sign in. You are presented with the Admin Module Search for a Job screen. In the Search Customer field, enter the first few letters of the name of the customer you are searching for. Selecting All in the Search Status field will show existing and completed jobs for customers who meet the search criteria. Click on the Find Refresh button. All jobs that satisfy the search criteria will be displayed. Highlight the contact for the job that you want to copy. Click on the Copy Selected Job button at the bottom of the screen. If the previous job contained components, then you will get an option to include or not include those components in this new job. On this occasion, we are not copying the components. The new job will open at the customer screen. Check or modify any of the fields. Go to the Components screen by clicking the icon in the panel on the left-hand side of the screen. On the right-hand side of the screen, select Component Search. This will allow you to add the components for this job. You can search by item number, description, drawing number, materials, or comments. Select the item from the list, click OK, and close. The work centers and materials for this component will now be listed in the top section. To create a quote, select the drop-down window at the top of the screen and click Quote. You can choose which items you want to list on the quote. On the right-hand side of each line of the component is the Print on Quote option. Click on the Print option in the top taskbar. A quote template will be created that suits your company's requirements. The quote is now complete. Return to the search screen, refresh the search, and select the quote. Once the quote has been accepted by the client, change the status to Job and schedule for the workshop. Go to the project screen and select your name from the drop-down window. Enter the authorized date and expect to start and finish. This job will now be visible in the Workshop Management module. In the Workshop Management module, click on the tick box for the job in the bottom matrix just to the left of the job number, and that job will now be visible in the data capture screen. At this point, print the job sheet. As you can see, there are many options for the job sheet. Clicking Print Preview will allow you to view the job sheet before sending it to the printer. This is the end of this training video.